This is how you're going to spot pump and dumps in the stock market. We have IMTE here. It just got halted to the upside, running from 575 all the way up here to about 750. This market we're in right now, it's February 16th, 2022. Small caps have not been the hottest. It's been pretty dry and slow across the board. We're seeing a lot of failed follow through, failed setups, and we're in a market right now. The indexes have been pulling back and we've been in correction territory and potentially in a bear market. We don't know. A lot of uncertainty going on. In small caps, it's been super slow. Not a lot's been going on. And it's more big picture ideas. If you've been here every day, you know what I'm talking about. Out of nowhere, you got IMTE just popping up out of nowhere and just running up and getting halted. This is where you got to determine and ask yourself, is this a legitimate spike? Or is this a pump and dump? Is this a community out there trying to pump up the stock to get some action going and make some money? When markets slow down, people go into desperate times. So let's take a look here at IMTE. I'm going to pull over this other window and I think it just opened back up. Yeah, be careful with these pump and dumps, you guys. Real quickly, let's scroll out on this real quick. This is a 1 minute time frame, okay? Every candle you see on here is 1 minute of trading. So you can look back on this chart clearly, right? And you could see there's no volume at all, right? You can also see how spotty the candlesticks are. Nobody is interested in this stock. Nobody actively trades this stock. So we can look back, we can see here yesterday, Tuesday, February 15th, there was some activity on it. There was some volume spikes up right here. You could see the stock rips up effortlessly right here. And it was struggling a lot right at around this $7.50. It kept running into resistance. IMTE just randomly exploding up like this. Let's take a look at this other window and continue to break it down. IMTE, take a look at the daily chart here. You could see that there's a history of the stock liking to get pumped with all of the long upper wicks on the daily chart. Now remember, a daily chart, you guys, the candlesticks, every candlestick you see is 1 day of trading. So if you pull up a chart and you're seeing a lot of long upper wicks, big green juicy candles, this stock loves to run. I mean, look what it did here. It ran from 420s to 1220s. Traders are going to pay attention to these types of stocks. Let's also take a look at the float on IMTE. Right here is the float, total float, shares outstanding. The float, you guys, and for you new guys out there, is the supply for this stock. How much supply is available to the public to trade? There's 225,000 shares of this stock to trade on the public market. That's what I would call a nano float, super nano float stock. So up out of nowhere, IMTE just pops up, starts running. Now let's look, is there any news that came out to get this going? Recently today, there was no news at all. It just says it's got halted. Even if we go back yesterday, let's see, Integrated Media Technology secures year-end fruit product supply for sale in April. None of this is really any news to attract volume into the stock. We got a nano float stock. It's a low float, no volume. This is a pump and dump, straight up. It's a pump and dump. Putting it all together, there was no volume on it. Some community out there all got in on this, and then they announce it to their community, and then the community goes off, and what they do is they chase after it. They market order in. And when you have that lightning bolt hit that small supply of the stock, prices are going to rip to the upside. And then as the stock hits new high of day, it's going to go off on everybody's momentum scanner. It's going to go off on everybody's momentum scanner. They're going to chase after it. And then the community that started this pump and dump, they're up really good in profit. Imagine that. You were running this and you got in just under $6. And then this stock just effortlessly explodes up $1.50. Pick up 2,000 shares of a stock like this at $6 and it explodes up, that's 3 grand in your pocket within a couple minutes. That's easy money. Easy money. And there's all kinds of Discord servers out here, you guys, that do these pump and dumps. Let's take a look at just the stock bot alone. There are over 23,000 servers out there that have the stock bot. And then you have all of these Discord communities, like Wall Street Bets is a real popular one with a lot of people. Wall Street Bets, Normac Noel Trading, Atlas Trading. I mean, all of these communities out here with hundreds and thousands of people. See right here, you have this guy. It's a halt bot telling you that IMTE got halted, alerting everybody. And then when everybody spots this, and when they pull up IMTE, they could participate and jump in on this, causing it to rip up even higher. It's a community effort, everybody participating to continue to rip this stock up higher. That's why they call them pump and dumps. And then over time, pump and dumps have evolved from call center pump and dumps to email promotional pump and dumps. And then as the internet got faster and all of these chat rooms started coming out and social media started getting popular, now everybody is a part of a Discord community, right? Even ask yourself, yeah, I'm part of a Discord stock trading community. There's all kinds out here. And as I always tell you guys, everybody is out here trying to make a dollar. Everybody, from the guru to the trader to the software coders, everybody's out here to make a buck. So that's how you guys pick up on a pump and dump. I've made countless videos on pump and dumps. I have a playlist filled with pump and dump videos. I'll leave a link for it down in the description. I'm Mr. Wolf. As I always say, have that patience, have that discipline. Study, study, study. Later. Now, before I end this, I wanted to include a bonus. As I was at the end of editing this video, I want to talk to you guys about a little bit more in the pump and dump world and scheme. I don't hate pump and dumps. I don't want to advise them. And my whole thing is, I don't want to run a community that's just another pump and dump group out there. My goal is I want to try make more people aware of these pump and dumps that are out here. You may be a part of a pump and dump community and you may not even realize it when you're first starting out as a trader. And just as an example, going back from when a member here, Frank, they're all over on Twitter. You're going to see random tweets from people out there saying win streak extends to 18. And then he's going to list off all of the top stocks and how much they went up percentage wise to lure in people. Then they say, wow, Roku ran up 1700%. I want in on that. And that's how they suck in people. People don't want to educate themselves. They just want to make fast money and they want fast alerts. I know I make a lot of YouTube videos. I run a trading learning 101 Discord community here. You guys would be blown away how many emails and messages I get from people asking me, do I give out stock alerts, when to buy, when to sell? And I don't mean to put this person on blast, but literally just today, right when the market opened, this guy recently messaged me and asked if I could unlock the server. And I said, yo, just start at the start here, dude. It's that simple. But then today, hi, how do I get trade alerts? Thanks. I don't give trade alerts. What I do is I teach you to trade for yourself. That's why so many people fail in the stock market. Trading alerts do not work. They don't. Even if you go to the start here at the very, very top, I have it in the welcome center that this is not a pump and dump community. I will not tell you when to buy, when to sell. By entering this chat room, you agree to the disclaimer. Myself or anybody in this chat room is not responsible for your actions. So please do your own due diligence before you invest or trade your hard-earned money. We don't give out hot stocks alerts here. I don't want to run just another pump and dump chat room. That's not my goal here. And a lot of people overlook this start here at the top with the stars. People just want to make fast money. That's what they want. Fast, easy money. I've even had people comment on my videos to get involved in cryptocurrency because the pump and dumps are not tracked or traceable, and it's a black market. You can get away with it. It is what it is. There's people out here gonna be trying to make money in all different types of places, and what I really try to do here with you guys, I make you aware of what's going on. We come together, we educate ourselves, and as I tell all of the members here, the more you educate yourself, the more edge you have over all of the noobs out here that are just blindly throwing their money at these pump and dumps, just garbage penny stocks. You'd be amazed how much stupid money is out here. And it's not like I am directly saying to you, the person watching this, that you are stupid in your stupid money. It's just everybody always tries to blame the institutions, the banks, the money deep pocket. Look at it at a different angle. It's not you versus the institutions, the banks, the algos. The way I look at it, there's a lot of stupid money out here. People who don't educate themselves. They don't fully understand this game, and they don't want to learn it. They don't have a passion for this. They just want that hot, fast, easy money. And how they do that? They follow a pump and dump guru. They get in on the wrong trade, blow up their account, and then they point the finger at the guru, not taking responsibility for themselves, following blindly. As I tell you guys, show up every day. It's an everyday grind. Get on that path to success. Join the Trading Learning 101 Wolfpack. It's an everyday grind, you guys.